Project management is Zeleux's core feature of our business management tool. With it, you can see all of your company's projects in one place with a customized project view board. You can create custom forms with Google Drive Sync, upload documents and photos, and generate work orders or project plans with one click. Let's start with defining our workspace. In the Appearance menu, you will be able to define your project stages and project flags. Name each stage to coincide with your project timeline. You can come back to this settings area to reorder stages, add new ones, or delete them at any time. Next, we will take a look at how to create a project. The best way to start is by converting from a quote. This will not only import the customer details and quote value, but it will also link the quote and project so it will be easier to reference if needed. You can also create a project from selecting from the Add New button. Each project has several sections to help you stay organized. Let's review the benefits of each. The Project Details section provides important information like customer details and project dates. Selecting the dates here will create visibility on the project calendar. This is a great way to get a high-level view of your project pipeline months in advance. To the right, you will see a section where you can add your customized flags, which are helpful for filtering. Below, this is where you enter your scope of work. Any details you wish to communicate with the team should go here. Now to the Documents section. This is where you will be able to upload documents and photos or link to existing Google files. The Forms section is where you will add customized forms. Simply upload the form templates to your Google Drive account that is linked to Zeleaux. This is a great place to add things like customer contracts, project trackers, planning documents, or any other standardized forms you use to manage your business. The Contacts section is where you will identify the project manager, on-site contact, and lead installer for your projects. In a minute, we will show you how this information transfers to the work order. The job site address is an important field because it syncs with your team's mobile app and gives them one-click access to Google Maps and directions. For that reason, you should only type in the legal address in this field. The last few sections are used for keeping track of your project details, assign team members, use custom checklists, which can be created in your account settings, add project-specific to-do list items, and use the comments section to keep things from falling through the cracks. Once you are ready to generate the work order, scroll to the top of the page, and in one click, all the information you entered in your project card is imported to the work order. You can print or email this file to your team, or do nothing, as they will have access to work orders from the Zeleaux mobile app. If you have a more complex project that requires more than a simple scope of work, use the Detailed Project Plan feature. Tell Zeleaux your project is phased and add project milestones to each phase. The project plan becomes a part of the work order, or it can be exported to a PDF of its own. Once your project is complete, click the Project Complete button to simultaneously send notes to your invoicing team and change the project status to complete. Zeleaux keeps all your completed and archived projects in a database so you can access them at any time. Want to learn more about Zeloux's business management features? Check out our library of videos. We are constantly developing new content to provide you with helpful tips on how you can use Zeleaux to elevate your business. Let's get you started. Sign up for your free trial today.